Okay, sometimes it's useful to concatenate strings or put strings together, right? So let's declare two strings, s2 equals banana, right? Okay, so let's say I wanted to concatenate these two strings together and then print out the new string. So let's declare a new string, s3. Okay, the simplest way, and the way you're going to see in code, right, a lot of people will just do this. They'll say S3 equals S1 plus S2, right? And this will concatenate the two strings. So if I print it out, I get apple, banana. So it'd be useful if I had maybe put a space in between there or a comma, right? Comma, right? So I could concatenate like that. I'm actually adding S1, and then I'm adding comma space, and then I'm adding S2. And if I print this out, I get apple, comma, banana. So there's also a method that does the same thing, and it's called concat. And I just want to show you how it works, right? So instead of using plus to concatenate strings, you can say I want to concatenate S1 and then put S2 at the end of S1. So if I print this out now, right, I get apple, banana, right? So I could do, right, the equivalent would be, right, what I did before, S1 plus S2, right? These are equivalent statements. But I wanted you to understand how concat works in case you ever see it in somebody's code. Basically, it's at this point in your programming, these two lines are equivalent. Most of the time, you're going to see people do this. If you see this, you should understand what it's doing. It's taking the second string and concatenating it onto the end of the first string.